straight down the barrel.
That's a tornado!
Tearing across a farming district near the township of Peel outside Bathurst.
Oh, there's a tree!
A big black cloud that was swirling around.
Picking up speed again.
Kathy Jones and her family could only watch as the destructive force hit her home.
It took the house, the roof, took everything, trampoline.
The twister punched across a wide strip of countryside, hitting other villages, other homesteads battered, and some people injured by flying debris. Kathy's home was devastated, windows smashed and furniture flung into the garden.
You always think that you can go and hide under a bed, but there's glass everywhere in the house.
Trees were ripped out and sent flying. Farm outbuildings also damaged.